Hey y'all, I've not made a video about my lawnmower in quite a while since I had the fiasco with the wiring harness several years ago, but my lawnmower is starting to make a little sound. I don't know if I'm overthinking it or something I need to worry about or something I need to adjust. I'm going to start it up there and so y'all can hear it. It's making like a little misfire sound whenever the lawnmower is running. That's something new. But once again, just wondering if it's something that I need to adjust or get serviced or what. But anyway, I'm going to fire it up and here goes. Like side was funny. I'm putting it forward gear. Roll with it for a second. Alright, so any tips that you guys could give me there, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.